Hi, my name is Katie Lovett. I live in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. I have a 11-year-old stepson, and I just got married in the last year. I was an elementary teacher for about 4 years after I graduated from Davidson College, and I loved working with kids, but I decided that I wanted to switch gears and go into the medical field, and I'm hoping to go to PA school and pursue pediatrics. Um, my reasons for taking the course are that I need the prerequisite to apply to PA programs, and I'm currently working as a part-time scribe at an ear, nose, and throat practice while taking prerequisites at a community college here in Winston and also taking some classes online, obviously. Before scribing at the ENT office, I was working at a pediatric clinic as a scribe as well, and I loved that, and that is one of the reasons why I want to become a PA and go into pediatrics. I'm excited for the semester and look forward to hopefully learning a lot.